Hi everyone! For this project, I'm using a piece of pallet wood that I had in storage. You can also use fence boards that you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. This board measures 47 inches. I used plastic wood to fill in any of the nail holes and set that aside to dry. Once the plastic wood dried, I took a piece of 60 grit sandpaper and gave it a light sanding over the areas where I had applied the plastic wood. I then moved on to Waverly Antique Wax and did a dry brush method all over the board. You add a little to your brush, dab some off, and then hit random areas on the board. Once I finished that, I then used Waverly chalk paint in the color Plaster. I didn't go with full coverage on the board as I wanted it to look more rustic, and I let that dry. To give the board a little more dimension, I used Waverly chalk paint in the color Ink and did a dry brush method all over the board and let that dry. Once all the paint was dry, I measured down from the top of the board 6 inches and made a mark. I also did this to the bottom. I then used painter's tape and placed it above the lines and used a second piece to create a stripe in the middle. Once that was done, I used the Waverly chalk paint in the color Ink to create a stripe, and I let that dry. I did the same technique going the length of the board to create a stripe on either side. To save on using more painter's tape, I just removed one of the pieces from the side and used the clean edge to create my other line. The peel and reveal is always the best part. Once this dried, I then moved on to using a little wire nail that I got from Home Depot, and I applied that at an angle so that way I can hang a welcome sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And there you go, a cute porch sitter that you can change out with any decor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video, and remember you can always follow my page at Jenny of All Trades. Stay crafty, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye!